Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. I would like to congratulate SPDC College for conducting this 7-day National Student Development Program. It's a really good initiative by your college, and it will help students to develop their skills and understand the real industrial standards. Congratulations to you all for that. I would like to thank Mr. Marathe sir and Mr. Sawant sir for giving me opportunity to be here on this occasion to address you all. Thank you SPDC College and thank you to you all. So let's begin with today's speech. I would not like to take you all much time because even I hate bigger speeches. So my speech or my story will be little very short, and it will be all about my experiences, about my entrepreneurial journey. I was invited here to share my success journey, but I would not call it like a success journey because success is not like a big thing or a continuous thing. Success is like a dessert in a meal, and failure is all about whole meal, and success is a dessert in that. So I would like to share the experiences of my life in three phases: a pre-startup phase, a failed startup phase, and after failure. So I will share all my experiences in these three phases. This will help you to understand how startups are needed to be started, how startups needed to be functioned, and how things should be planned accordingly to get the success. If you all are able to understand these things clearly, then I would assure that success will be definitely yours. So let's start with my college journey. Before that, I would like to tell about myself. My name is Smitesh More, and I am Managing Director of Zoof Software Solutions and co-founder and CEO of Night Appetite Technologies. In Zoof Software Solutions, we develop websites, mobile apps, and softwares for individuals and companies. Currently, we have worked with very big companies like Zee, Bharat Petroleum, Shai Away, and currently we are working with Prabhudas Lilladher company, which is one of the very oldest stockbroking company of India. Then talking about Night Appetite. Night Appetite is an late night food delivery service where we deliver food to late night workers or people who are craving in late nights, and we deliver food till 4 a.m. It is an app based dark kitchen, and that much about myself. Let's begin with my pre-startup or college phase, where I was studying in Datta Megi College of Engineering. I was like average student like all of us. I was studying engineering, and I was very less focused on studies, and I was much interested in all like extracurriculum activities like acting and movie making and writing. So my concentration was not that focused on studies, so it led to be in failure, and I failed in that year. I got 9 KTs and I got failed in that year, and I was having a year drop and I was sitting at home. That was my first ever failure, and it was very devastating. The feeling was very devastating. I never knew that it will happen to me, and I was having no idea what to do with my life. So after having failure at that phase, I was not having clear thoughts about my future, my career, and I started doing many things. Like I started doing real estate broking, where I wanted, because I wanted to earn money. So I started doing real estate broking. Then I worked with one production house, film production house company, where we used to do dramas and used to do theater plays, and in that I used to stick the posters to earn the money. After that I got failed in that also, and then I started doing job in call center, but I worked there for 2 days only. After that I started distributing newspaper, but I was scared of dogs, so I did that work for 2 days only. So telling about all these things, that a short thing about all these things, that I was very not feeling good with all those things. Like I was always searching for the thing which will make me happy, or thing which will make me feel good about myself or my talent. So I started doing coding in PHP, and I conceived an idea that we should start a company which will develop a website. Idea was not that big. We just decided to develop the websites, and we got one consignment from Dahi Handi Pathak, which was situated in our local area only. So we got consignment from them, and that was my first consignment of website, and we got around 800 rupees for that. That was the first consignment, and we started developing website. After that, we got many opportunities to develop the website. We started developing websites for small NGOs and small companies, and that's how we got started.